Hello developers and welcome to our channel. In this short tutorial, we're going to show you how to schedule a Ruby on Rails job using Cron To Go, a Heroku add-on that is fantastic for running commands on a schedule similar to Cron. We'll use GitHub repos, so we won't have to start from scratch. So let's get started. First things first, you need to clone our demo repo. The link is provided in the description below. This repository contains a minimalistic Ruby on Rails application that we'll be deploying on Heroku. Let's clone it to our local machine. Now, let's install the Heroku CLI Cron To Go plugin. We'll need it to schedule our jobs. If you haven't already, make sure that you have the Heroku CLI installed and configured first. Follow the link in the description if you're missing it on your computer. Alright, with that done, let's deploy this Rails application to Heroku. We'll use the CLI to create an app and push the code to it. Our application is now live on Heroku. Now, let's add Cron To Go to our Heroku app. With the Cron To Go add-on attached to our app, we can now schedule jobs. Our repository contains a manifest.yaml file. This file is a simple way to define our cron jobs. We can also create jobs using the CLI one by one or in the Cron To Go dashboard. As you can see, this manifest file is creating a job called Daily Data Update. This job runs a rake task to update our database. It runs daily at midnight UTC. Now, let's use the Cron To Go CLI plugin to schedule this job. And there we go! Our job is now scheduled. You can check your jobs anytime by running the command Heroku cron jobs. This will show you all your jobs, their schedules, and their statuses. You'll see the job we just added here. While our tutorial today focuses on scheduling jobs using a YAML file, you can also manually add or edit jobs through the Cron To Go dashboard, which we cover in our other videos. Here, you can also monitor your jobs, seeing when they run and if they encounter any issues. We can run our job manually by clicking on the Job menu button and then Run Job Now. And that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!